Good afternoon, children. Today we can take the angles, children. We can take angles. Look here, you can see here one angle. Here this one is the two rays, AB and AC. Two rays. Two rays form an angle because that two rays have a common end point. Two rays are AB and AC are the two rays, and that two rays have a common end point, that is A. That is the A is the common end point. So this one is the angle A. This one is the angle A. Angle A, or we can say this one is the angle BAC. Angle we can write like this. This one is the angle shape of this angle, isn't it? So that is the symbol, and angle BAC, angle A or angle BAC or angle CAB. Angle CAB. So two rays formed an angle, and that two corners that is made an angle. So here angle BAC or angle CAC, and is the middle letter is the angle. Angle BAC, that is the common end point, that is middle letter is A, and angle CAB, in that also middle letter is A, that is angle A. We can write like this, angle A. That is the common end point of that two rays. Okay, and next one, angles. You look here. This one is the figure. This one is the rough sketch of a figure, and here this one A, B, C, D. Look here, A, B, C, D. We can see here the four corners we can see here, and that corners are the vertices, isn't it? Look here. Here this one is the vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. Four vertex we can see here, and these are the two rays. Here AB is one rays and AD is another rays, and that two rays make a corner or make a vertex. So A is the vertex, and if these two rays BC and CD, if we take BC and CD, then you will get it one vertex, that is C, that is angle BCA or angle DCB or angle C. Or if we take these two rays, that is AD and DC, two rays, and we will get it the angle D or CDA, angle CDA or angle ADC. They are the angles. And we can take it, next one is the triangle. Yes, triangle. Triangle means that is a three-sided polygon. That is three-sided polygon, that is triangle. Three-sided figure or three-sided polygon. Polygon means that is polygon made by the line segments, isn't it? Polygon made by the line segments, and here also three line segments already here. That line segments already made, that is three-sided, so that is a polygon, three-sided polygon, and that is the least sided polygon. That is the triangle is the least sided polygon. Least sided polygon, because this one have three sided, and two sides we can't make any polygon with two sides. We can't make two-sided polygon, so that's why we are telling this three-sided figure that triangle is the least sided polygon. And here also we can see the angles. Here also make it, yes, ABC. If we take ABC, and we will get it. What are the angles? We will get it here from this figure. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle A means BAC, and angle A or angle BAC, and angle B or angle ABC, angle ABC, and another angle is angle C or ACB or BCA, angle ACB. From the triangle we will get it three angles from the three vertices, isn't it? Three vertices, and these are the, look here children, adjacent sides. These two sides means AC and AB. AC and AB, that is adjacent sides, because the adjacent sides means if that two sides have a common endpoint. ഒരു common endpoint ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ that is the adjacent sides. Here AB and BA and AC, that is the A is the common endpoint, so we can call it these two sides as adjacent sides. Okay, and here look here, AB and BC, B is the angle, and this AB and line segment AB and line segment BC, that also adjacent sides. Okay, AB and BC, because B is the common endpoint, isn't it? And these vertices also, vertices A and vertices B, that also adjacent vertices. These A and B, that is also adjacent vertices, and B and C, that is also adjacent vertices. Okay, that is the triangle. And next one is four-sided figure. Next one is the four-sided figure. Four-sided figure. That four-sided figure means this one is the four-sided figure. This is the polygon, four-sided polygon, and we can call it this as quadrilateral. Yes, this one is the quadrilateral four-sided polygon, four-sided, four line segments you can see here, and we can call it this PQRS, quadrilateral PQRS. In this PQRS, we can say like this triangle, and we will get it four vertices also here. What are the vertices? Vertices P, vertex P, vertex Q, vertex R, vertex S, and vertices P, Q, R, S. That means vertex P means that is also angle SPQ or PS. Angle PR, angle SPQ. And another one is angle QR, angle QR, PQR or RQP. Angle PQR. And next one is angle S. If we take angle S, angle SR, PSR, angle PSR. You look here, that angle means when we write the angle's name, in the middle letter is the angle, SPQ, that P is the angle, and PQR, Q is the angle, and PSR, S is the angle. Did you understand, children? What are the angles and what are the points? And look here, children, and here this PQR, this inside of this quadrilateral, or inside of this quadrilateral, we can call it as interior part of the quadrilateral. This one is this shaded part is the interior part of the quadrilateral, and this one, this outside we can call it as exterior part of the quadrilateral. And the point, if we point here T and here S, not S, M, and here you can see L, and this T point T here, and point M is here, and point L is here, that is on the quadrilateral. That points are on the quadrilateral, not in the interior part or exterior part, that is on the quadrilateral. Okay, these are the exterior, interior, and on the figure. Okay, so these are the points, and you can take, children, next yes, look here. Yes, look here, from this figure you can see ABCD. Yes, ABCD. Yes, look here, ABCD. From that, name the angles in the given figure. Name the angles in the, that is exercise 4.3. Name the angles in the given figure. What are the angles? Yes, angle BAD, or angle A, or angle ADC, or angle ADC, or angle D, and angle DCB, or angle C, and CBA, angle CBA or angle B. They are the angles. And And in the given diagram here, second question you can see here, in the given diagram name the points. Which are the points? First one is in the interior of DOE. In the interior of DOE. Look here. Yes, D O E F. D O E F and C B A. C B and A. Yes, look here. This one is the diagram. All of you look here. This one is the FOD. FOD angle, and another one is FOE and EOD angles. And question is, what is the question? In the interior of angle DOE. In the interior of angle DOE means this one is the interior portion. And which point is here? Point in the interior. In the interior of means inside of this, that is point A. That is point A. And this B, E and D, oh, that is on the angle. That is the on this angle. So here the interior of this, that is A. And next question, in the exterior of EOF. In the exterior of EOF, that is the point C. That is the point C. And third question in that, on EOF. On EOF, which are the points on EOF? That is point E, point B, point O, point F. E, O, B, F. Okay. Then next one is draw rough diagram of two angles such that they have one point in common. Draw is two angles. You can, yes, here two angles you can see here. One angle is DOE and another angle is FOD or EOD, and common endpoint is O. Okay. Then next triangles, in that triangles also that you can take it as homework. Draw a rough sketch of the triangle ABC and mark point P in its interior and Q in its exterior, and is the point A is in interior or exterior. Draw a sketch of the ABC, isn't it? Triangle ABC. Draw sketch of the triangle ABC. Yes, ABC. And mark a point P in the interior and Q in the exterior. P in the interior. Draw a triangle, sketch of the triangle ABC, and mark P in the exterior and P in the interior. Sorry, P in the interior and Q in the exterior. Q in the exterior means outside of the triangle, isn't it? And one more question in that. What is the question that A in its exterior or in its interior? A. Where is the point of A? Point of A, the letter is here and point of A is here, isn't it? So that means this A point A is not in interior and not in exterior. That is on the triangle. That is on the triangle. Okay, children. So everyone want to study this. And next one more. Yes, contralateral also we told, isn't it? So everyone want to practice it from the home, children. And in the contralateral, yes, that also once more I am telling. Yes, in this contralateral, yes, AB, CD. Look here, in this quadrilateral, ABCD, AB and CD are the two line segments or two sides, and these two sides are adjacent sides, AB and BC. AB and BC are adjacent sides. Adjacent. These two sides are adjacent sides, and these two vertices are also adjacent vertices. And this one is these two sides are the opposite sides. These two sides are the opposite sides, and these two BA and CD are also opposite sides. And this A and C opposite angles. and this also, this B and D also opposite angles. And but this that is very easy, isn't it? This B and D opposite angles, and C and A, that is also opposite angles. But this A and B, that is adjacent vertices or adjacent angles or adjacent vertices, and B and C, that is also adjacent vertices, and C and D adjacent, C, D and A adjacent, nearby sides and nearby angles. Okay, they are, because that is common endpoint, that is why they are adjacent vertices and adjacent sides. Okay, bye children.